Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate time management tips that will transform your productivity game for good. Did you know the average person spends over 2 hours a day on social media? Imagine what you could achieve with that time. In today's video, we're talking about time management and why it's crucial for productivity and success. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or just someone looking to get more out of their day, mastering time management can be a game changer. Let's be real. We all have those days where our to-do list seems to stretch on forever. The key to reclaiming control and banishing that overwhelmed feeling is prioritization. It's about identifying the most important tasks that align with your goals and tackling those first. Think of it like this. Every task on your list has a different weight. Some are crucial and directly impact your goals, while others might be smaller, less urgent tasks. By learning to differentiate between what truly matters and what can wait, you'll find yourself making significant progress towards your goals. One of the simplest and most effective ways to prioritize is by using the Eisenhower matrix. This handy tool helps you categorize tasks based on their urgency and importance. So embrace the power of prioritization and watch your productivity soar as you conquer your to-do list with purpose and intention. Imagine setting sail on a journey without a destination in mind. You might drift aimlessly, making little progress and feeling lost at sea. The same principle applies to our lives and our time. Setting goals provides us with a roadmap and a sense of purpose. To harness the power of goal setting, set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This fuels our motivation and keeps us moving forward. Ever find yourself wondering where your day went? You start the morning with good intentions, but before you know it, the day has slipped through your fingers. The culprit? Often, it's a lack of awareness about how we're actually spending our time. Time tracking tools act as our personal time detectives, helping us uncover the hidden time leaks in our day and providing valuable insights into our productivity patterns. By tracking how long we spend on various tasks, we gain a clearer understanding of where our time is going and identify areas for improvement. There's a wide range of time tracking tools available, from simple spreadsheets to sophisticated apps. The key is to find one that fits your needs and preferences. So, put on your detective hat, embrace the power of time tracking, and gain valuable insights that will empower you to reclaim control of your day. Chapter 4. The Pomodoro Technique. Mastering productivity in short bursts. In the age of constant distractions, maintaining focus can feel like an uphill battle. Enter the Pomodoro Technique, a time management method that has taken the productivity world by storm. This simple yet effective technique leverages the power of short, focused work intervals to boost productivity and combat procrastination. Here's how it works. Set a timer for 25 minutes and dedicate your undivided attention to a single task. Once the timer goes off, take a short 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 4 times, and then reward yourself with a longer break of 15 to 20 minutes. The beauty of the Pomodoro technique lies in its ability to break down daunting tasks into manageable chunks. Knowing that you only have to focus for 25 minutes can make even the most overwhelming tasks feel less intimidating. So, if you're struggling to stay focused and get things done, give the Pomodoro technique a try. Chapter 5. The Art of Delegation. Free up your time and empower others. Many of us believe we have to do everything ourselves. We wear our busyness as a badge of honor. But trying to do it all leads to burnout. Delegation leverages others' skills to free up your time. Identify tasks that can be delegated. Be clear about expectations and provide necessary instructions. Mastering delegation frees your time and empowers others. Chapter 6. The Myth of Multitasking. Why single tasking is the key to efficiency. In today's fast-paced world, multitasking is often hailed as a desirable skill, a way to get more done in less time. But the truth is, our brains are not wired for effective multitasking. When we try to juggle multiple tasks at once, we end up sacrificing both quality and efficiency. Research has shown that multitasking can actually reduce our productivity by up to 40%. When we switch between tasks, our brains experience what's known as context switching, which takes time and mental energy. This constant shifting of focus leads to errors, decreased attention span, and increased stress levels. Instead of trying to do everything at once, embrace the power of single tasking. Focus your attention on one task at a time and give it your full concentration. Remember, single tasking is not about doing less. It's about achieving more by working smarter, not harder. Minimize distractions. Create a sanctuary for productivity. Distractions are lurking around every corner. Social media notifications, email pings, and smartphones make it hard to stay focused. Reclaim your attention by minimizing distractions. Identify your biggest distractions. Constantly checking your phone? Sucked into social media? Use website blockers or app limits. Turn off notifications or use airplane mode. Create a dedicated, distraction-free workspace. It's an ongoing process, but worth it. Outro. Time Management Mastery. Your journey to productivity starts now. So, there you have it. 7 practical time management tips that actually work. We've covered everything from prioritizing tasks and setting goals to using time tracking tools and mastering the Pomodoro technique. Implementing these strategies can significantly improve your productivity and reduce stress, leading to a greater sense of accomplishment and fulfillment. Give at least one of these tips a try and let us know your results in the comments section below. We'd love to hear about your time management wins.